Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have another Wantable unboxing. And if you watched my last one, you know it was very disappointing for me and for you. So today we have another one, and I think it's gonna be better because I looked. If you want to know more about Wantable, I'm going to have stuff in the description below and my referral link if you want to try Wantable. If you want to consider using my referral link, I'd really appreciate it. Helps me do more videos like this if I, have credit to keep getting the boxes. So yeah, it's all below because I can't remember. $20 styling fee. They send you 7 items. Sometimes I do themed edits, which my last couple of themed edits were not great. This one is also a themed edit, but I can't remember the name. I think it's the Pretty Little Details edit, so let's see how it is. We're opening up the box today with our trusty, rusty screwdriver! Yeah. Alright, so here's a new box to add to the pile. I broke down my boxes. If you guys, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, like and subscribe. If you subscribe to my channel, you can see posts and stuff that I do too that aren't videos. And I showed a picture of the 19 boxes I broke down. I broke them down. My husband was moderately happy. He wasn't as happy as I thought he'd be, so it wasn't that satisfying to be honest. But anyway, another box to add to the pile. So here is our bundle. Let's see, it's a little bit floppy. She's a little floppy, but that's okay. And the sticker says, "Styled for Rachel." It must be so weird to work where they have to package these and be like, okay, where's my sticker for this one with everyone's names on it? But it's kind of nice. Nice little detail. I gotta drink some coffee. We're drinking iced coffee today. This is my cute little cup that my friend Mari got me for my birthday. And the iced coffee we're drinking is, it has chocolate syrup and strawberry syrup and International Delight Cold Stone Creamery sweet cream because sugar. So here we go. All right, so it is the Pretty Little Details edit. They call their boxes edits. And I'm sure we'll have a generic note to read because it's a themed edit. Hi Rachel. So excited you chose this fun Pretty Little Details edit. There are so many fun features and new spring styles to choose from. My hope is you feel gorgeous in every single thing. Thanks for leaving a note and taking the time to request pieces off your stream. Love your pics. I was able to snag a few that we had in stock. When we say the styling is in the details, we really mean it. I've taken care to send you pieces you can pair together or maybe wear with existing items in your closet. Please let me know what you think. Enjoy, Naya. Thanks, Naya. I think you're going to do a better job than Sev from last time. They send you the mailer to send things back that you don't want to keep. And the first thing we have here, which seems like, as always, is some jewelry. So let's open her up. And I do know what I'm getting. I don't know. Oh my God, they're so cute. Okay, so even though I did request these on the stream, so even though you see them on the stream, you don't know how big they are. And I thought these would be much bigger. Like a big hoop. But look how cute. That is adorable. I can tell you right now that I'm going to keep those because they're so cute. So let me put them in my ears. Okay, I have them in. They were kind of hard to get in. I had to sing to myself as I put them in because they were taking so long. Hello, skin. Anyway, there they are. Look how cute those are. Let's see. Oh, I'm doing it. Am I doing it? I'm doing it. I can never zoom in and out correctly. Let's get the light back. Yeah, so those are cute and they are definitely a pretty little thing. It's kind of subtle. You can wear them up. You can wear them up. You can wear your hair up and then really see them. It's so cute. Okay. And the next thing we have, I'm going to keep those, is some cut from the cloth jeans. I don't own any cut from the cloth jeans, but I know they're a great brand. I know they're expensive though. Getting blown out today. So these just have, looks like a little bit of distressing right there. They have some hair on it, which that's not mine because I don't have any white animals. There is a lot of hair hair on these jeans, but okay. Good thing I'm not allergic to what I assume is a cat. Anyway, there's some distressing, just normal bottoms, no like fraying or anything like that. So we'll try those on. Next, we have by Democracy. This cute kind of little springy top. It has a tie in the front. I don't know if it's coming off. It's pretty green. It's like some pretty greens and grays and white. Move my light back. Oh, now we're in the dark. But you can kind of see the natural color a little better. So that's cute. Just like a little t-shirt for spring. Like it. And we have another jumpsuit. So this is like a ribbed tank top jumpsuit. It has a tie at the waist. She has pockets, so that's good because the other one did not. And then they have like a wide pant leg. So we'll see how that fits. Depending on how that drapes, the ribbed might not be great. We'll see. And then I think I requested this one, and this is by West Key. I'm going to go over the names and the brands and everything at the end. This is by West Key. It is sewn there, so that's nice because the ones that have like little tabs always open. And it's like a cute little peplum, if you can tell, with a little tie on the side. So I thought that was really cute. That'd be really cute. Even though it has a navy background, there's so many colors in it that I like it. I like blues like this, like I got from my Stitch Fix, but like just a plain old dark navy, I don't really like. And then this one, I was gonna say, if you're by Z Supply, I'm gonna lose it. This one is pretty thin, but it's just like a white and black striped V-neck t-shirt, which could be nice, you know, it's kind of a basic. You can tuck it into like skirts and stuff, that'd be cute. And lastly, I was excited about this one. Once again, even though it has some navy in it, it has the light blues to juxtapose it. So this one's really cute. This is by, I don't know, Design History. And it has kind of like some little, I don't know the word. It's kind of puffy a little bit. And it has like a little cuff there. And it's just like a really pretty tie-dye, and I'm still not over tie-dye. And I like it. Okay, so much better so far than the last Wantable unboxing that I did. So pleased so far. Let's try them on. Okay, now this is the kind of thing that should have been in my Sunny Escape edit. Would you not agree? It's really cute. Okay, it's really cute. I think it's super cute. So this part I noticed when I was putting it on is sewn right here. So you can like never lose the belt. Like if you're washing it or like packing it, or I don't know why I'm grabbing my head. But this is pretty cute. The length is good. Let me pan down. I like the color. I like the ribbing detail. I think the straps are nice. They're nice and thick so you can wear a regular bra with it. This is a cami underneath. But yeah, it's cute. Here's the length. So it is kind of cropped a little bit, but that's nice on jumpsuits for me because I'm 5'4". So I like that, because if it were full length, I think it'd be too long and not as cute and springy and summery. You could probably just put like a jean jacket on over this. I think it's really cute. It's probably expensive because it's Wantable. But I have credit. Thanks to you guys. Referral links down below. So I mean, Wantable, you're starting off good. This one's cute. This one is cute. Let's try on the jeans and then all the tops with the jeans. Here's the top. It's cute. It's fun. It's nice. I really do like the color of it. I don't have a lot of like this kind of green and white together. Like I have a lot of darker green tops. I don't know if I'm kind of like over the knot in the front yet. I do still think it's cute. If you didn't like it, you could, you know, tuck it in kind of thing. You know, you could if you wanted to. If you want to show, you know, your stomach more. These are the jeans. They feel really nice. They feel really, really comfortable. They fit well. I really don't need any more jeans right now, I don't think. I was just switching over like my winter stuff to my like spring summer stuff, and I've gotten a lot of good pairs of jeans lately from like Stitch Fix or whatever. These do feel really nice. I know they're going to be expensive, and I know that jumpsuit's expensive, and I'd rather keep the jumpsuit than another pair of jeans, but these are really comfy. They're cut from the cloth, the Donna, I think they're like the skinny ankle or something. The wash is nice. They're good, they're nice, but I just don't think I need them. Do I need anything? Not really, but do I have an addiction? Yes, I do, and it's very real. So I appreciate your support in the matter. The addiction is buying clothes, okay? It's buying clothes. I don't always buy a lot of things though. Sometimes I only keep one thing. I tell myself, it's fine. Anyway, I do really like this shirt. I think I'll keep it. We'll see the prices and everything. I can't remember all the prices, but I do know this was a more moderately priced box. I can wear this one to work. I think it's cute. Let's do the next one. Look how pretty this top is. It's so pretty. It's nice, like I think I could still wear this to work even though it doesn't have sleeves. A lot of times I don't like to wear like sleeveless things to work. I think it's kind of too casual personally, but other people have done it at work, and I think I could do it with this top. I think that's really, really cute. Even though like in most offices it's like, it's either hellfire or it's really cold frozen tundra in my office. So bring a cardigan, I guess is what I'm saying. This is so cute. It's the, you know, faux wrap. It's nice. It's sewn right here, so I'm not afraid. Even if it does come apart, this goes all the way over. I have a cami underneath. I learned my lesson with these kind of tops. So I think this is super cute. I think I'm gonna keep this one too. Wantable's really redeeming themselves today. Here's the back. Let's flip it down. I think it's adorable. Be super cute with the cardigan. I like it. Let's do the next one. And here's just a simple V-neck, white and black striped tee. I do have maybe like 3 white and black striped t-shirts already. I don't have any V-neck ones, but I have like a boat neck one, and I think that'll do the trick. Like I don't need this, and it is kind of thin. I feel like you could get it anywhere, you know. But I do like stripes, and I know my profile says I do like stripes, so it's probably why they sent it to me. It fits fine. It's comfy. It's soft. It's good. It's fine. Tuck it in. You know, super cute. Adorable. What can I say? It's a t-shirt. Let's do the last one. I want this t-shirt in all of the colors. It's like, it's so cute. I feel like a thunderstorm in this shirt. And who doesn't love a thunderstorm? Unless you're a small dog named Bruno, who doesn't like thunderstorms. Anywho, or I had a dog named Pudge that hated the rain. Anyway, this is so cute. See, this is like that puff detail kind of sleeve. Let me move you down. Kind of, I was telling you about. It's just really subtle. It has like some pleats or something in it that makes it just like puff a little bit. This side's light, this side's dark. Which side will you get? We don't know. It's really cute. Wantable, you're doing it. You're redeeming yourself in my eyes. I know it was very important to you as I kick my camera stand. Yeah, this is really cute. You guys, I like 5 things. When has that ever happened with Wantable? That means I'm gonna get 20% off. So let's go add it up and go over prices and we'll figure it out. That was so much better than last box. Like, but honestly, there was nowhere to go but up from the last Wantable box. So let's go over the prices. The ideal striped eco jersey v-neck t-shirt in ivory/ink by Alternative Apparel was $34. So yeah, you could get a shirt like that for like $9 at Kohl's, you know, on a sale weekend. And then the Devon jumpsuit in hazel, that's B collection by Bobo, was $78. So $78 for that jumpsuit is a little steep, but it fit well, I thought. And, you know, I think I'm gonna do it. The X cap sleeve It says Xed, EXT. Cap sleeve tie hem printed tee in green multi by Democracy. It was $48. Again, a little steep for a t-shirt. I do have some credit and minus my styling fee. Things are gonna work out. I said it was by Democracy. Oh my God, I requested, I didn't even realize. 6 of the things that they sent me, I requested on the stream. And it's like, I go through it all the time and just like request stuff. You can request or decline stuff. So that's probably why this box was so good, because I liked these things. The puff sleeve tie-dye top in blue by Design History, $24. $24! That's like the least expensive thing I've ever gotten from Wantable. The floral knit sleeveless wrap top in navy floral by West Key, $44. And the Donna high rise ankle skinny in cumulated by Cut From The Cloth is $89. Not gonna keep those. They did fit well. I think they were a little bit big in the leg, and I think as you wear them, they would stretch more too. So I might look for something like that on Poshmark from them because they were comfortable. And the glass spike hoops in blue, little dainty things, by BMR is $24. So I added them up, the 5 things I think I'm gonna keep. And where'd my calculator app go? So, oh no, I have to add them up again. Okay, so the 5 things that I liked added up to $218. And then you get 20% off if you keep 5 or more things. So that would make it $174.40 minus my $20 styling fee that I already paid. $154.40 for the 5 things. So I think that's pretty good. That's like, you know, Stitch Fix level prices if you kept a whole box with the discount. So I think I'm gonna do it. This is the first time I've ever kept 5 things from Wantable. So they really redeemed themselves with this box. You know, you can't always have winners. Like I said in the last Wantable unboxing, you can't always have good boxes. I mean, inventory gets low, the stylist isn't right for you, you know, whatever. Sizes aren't in, stuff like that. I am, you know, someone commented last time and said, oh, your diplomacy is so good. I try. It's not, you know, oh, these people suck, I'm never gonna use them again, whatever. Stuff happens, you know, so this box is proof. It was a great box. So if you guys want to try it, again, links and descriptions and all that stuff down below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kind of unboxings. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.